Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete n8n account. All right. As you can see here, I'm currently at n8n. Wherever we go from here, we cannot see any deletion or even the activation button right here. All right, as you can see. So here's what you would need to do to delete your n8n account. All right, as you can see here, I'm at n8n support. So basically we'll get their email right here. As you can see, it says email your questions directly to this email and the team will be happy to help. So basically you're going to want to create a message right here. Now go ahead and compose. Just type in help@n8n.io. All right. Subject right here is account deletion. All right. So go ahead and compose your mail right here. For example, good day, support team. I love your site, but unfortunately, I have found a better system. All right. I would like to request a deletion of my n8n account. Basically, all things connected to my n8n account. All right. Thank you. So once done, just go ahead and hit on send and wait for their reply. They will just basically get back to you as soon as possible. All right. And as you can see here, they can delete your account when you request it. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.